And so where are we exactly? What neighborhood?
We are in Winter Hill, which is centrally located right in the heart of Falls Church City.
So what year was this built?
These were built in 1948.
Oh, you were off.
I was way off. I was like, oh, this looks like the 70s because of the mansard roof.
This particular section of Winter Hill with the condos, they're known for those roofs.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
all right.
You both go in, take a look, let me know what you think, and I'll meet you right out here.
All right,
Perfect.
sounds great.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, my first observation,
Yeah.
I now know that this home was built in the 1940s. I can tell looking at these oak floors. These are the floors from the 40s, you can tell.
Beautiful grain in those. I love the windows.
You can see looking that this home has been renovated over the years.
Yeah, there's some details from many different decades, like the ceiling is kind of 70s, and could use a little refreshing there. But overall, it's a really nice place.
It is.
Check out the kitchen. Half bathroom. It's nice to have that
That is
there.
very nice to have.
All right, updated kitchen.
Okay, you know, it's not a big space, but they really designed it well.
Well, it has a nice open feel because of the two windows.
Exactly, exactly.
Nice touch.
And looking out that window, I want to check out that patio.
Absolutely. This is definitely a highlight of this
Oh.
place.
To have your own private patio space?
Oh, this is something I've wanted and I don't have.
I know.
And this is a perfect place for a barbecue.
Oh, I'd have my coffee out here every
You
morning.
can garden.
Yeah.
What more do you need?
Exactly.
All right.
Ooh, I like these stairs.
Yeah, these are nice.
This looks like the bigger of the two bedrooms.
This must be the main bedroom. This is bigger than I thought.
And you know what? There's two closets.
Oh, they fit a lot in here.
Yeah.
I love these windows, bringing
Oh.
that outside in, that green space.
All right, let's check out the second
Oh,
bedroom.
washer dryer here.
Always a check.
All right.
Okay. All right. So you know what I love about this room? Actually, it's even a good sized room.
Yeah.
But that crepe myrtle out that window, you just feel like you're in a country cottage.
I think it's one of the highlights of this home, these windows.
Yeah. So we have the bathroom.
Okay.
All right. You know, and the size, it's a smaller condo, so this works.
I mean, it's smooth and ready, but could use a little update.
Maybe a little.
Hey.
Okay, Bethany.
So, what'd you think?
Great starter home.
The proportions of the rooms felt so good.
It's a really good
Felt
layout.
right.
And you know what I also liked is you've got that little private patio in the front,
Yeah.
but then you come out and you have this whole open space.
You want to eat crabs? This is the place to be.
Like the neighbors
This is
over.
the table to do that. Absolutely. So the best thing about, in my opinion, of Falls Church City, and especially the location of Winter Hill, is you're in the middle of all these great locations for shopping, for restaurants. There's a community library,
Oh,
the
nice.
Falls Church Farmers Market's every Saturday.
Oh,
Good farmer's
yeah.
market.
It is
yeah.
delicious. The
Check that
Eden
out.
Center is super close, right down the street.
We definitely have
Yeah.
to check that out.
One highlight, too, is Brown's Hardware, so if you need anything to work on your condo.
You've got the Beltway, you've got 66,
Yep,
you
the
have
toll
50
road,
nearby.
50, 29. I mean, it's a commuter's dream.
As they say,
Really?
all roads
Every-
converge here in Falls Church
And that's
City.
why it's called Seven Corners, right up the street.
Oh, is that how? See, I've lived
Absolutely.
here my whole life, and
Wow,
I
something
never
you
thought
didn't
about
know.
Yeah, there's a lot of green space here in Winter Hill. There's also a pool that you can enjoy in the summer months. So,
Oh, great.
yeah, good
it.
benefits.
So, if there's a pool, is there an HOA fee?
Yes, there's actually a condo fee.
Okay.
It's $308 per month.
All right.
It includes one parking spot. Yep.
Okay.
Well, before you guess, so it's a two-level condo,
Yep.
2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, and 784 square feet.
Okay. So I'm going to come in at a listing price of $435,000.
Okay. John, what do you think?
I think that's a very good guess. I'm going to go slightly higher.
Okay.
I'm going to go for 450. 450.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the winner is John. At $475 is the list price of this 2-level condo in Falls Church City.
This is a really neat pocket. I've never been here, never knew it was here.
It's tucked back in here. Yeah, you don't know it's here.
We always say it's a best kept secret
Absolutely.
until now.